My name is Dr. Patel. I am working as a chief soil specialist, Mati Agromart Private Limited, Bhavnagar. Also working as a professor at College of Agriculture, Parul University. Today, I will give the information of important points for higher crop production. So for that, we have to apply balanced plant nutrition in soil. For that, you are requested to contact Sevama Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Put up your value order to Amazon, Flipkart for purchase of Sevama soil testing kit. Collect representative soil samples from your field and put up soil sample in a plastic bag and envelope supplied by the Sevama Bhavnagar. Dispatch envelope near your village taluka post office and no need to affix stamp ticket on the envelope. Sevama Lab Bhavnagar will give soil testing report along with manures and fertilizers advised within 3 to 5 days only. We have latest, fast, accurate and precise ICP OES scientific instruments. Apply manures and fertilizers in soil at the time of sowing and nitrogen in top dressing means split. If soil is deficient in micronutrient, then apply it is as a basal as well as foliar spraying on plant as per our soil testing report. Advice: timely sowing of seed. Give seed treatments before sowing of the seeds with biofertilizer, azospirillum, phosphate soluble bacteria. Adopt proper sowing transplanting distance as per the recommendation made by the State Agriculture University. The third point is apply irrigation schedule as per the recommendation. Use drip irrigation method or alternate furrow irrigation system to save water and utilization of maximum use efficiency of the water. Fourth, carry out timely weeding and intercalering operation in the field. Fifth, take timely plant protection measure. As soon as you will notice the diseases or pest in the field, then you take immediately the plant protection measure. 6. Harvest crop when it is ready and carry out threshing, grading and store it in a well condition so there is no damage of the grains. For maintaining soil fertility and sustainability, follow minimum tillage, crop rotation, crop residue management, add manure, compost, vermicompost every year so that your soil remain fertile and sustainable for a longer time. Then 8. Grow tree on the boundary of the field to check water and erosion. 9. Keep cow buffaloes along with the agriculture for higher profit, that is integrated farming system. So you will get more profit. And also in this system, utilization of agriculture waste means power agriculture byproducts for animal feed and animal waste means farmyard manure, urine for improve the soil fertility and soil sustainability and thereby keep soil healthy for a longer period for our present as well as future generation. 10. Make provision of proper drainage to drain out excess salt from the field. So you keep soil healthy and the harmful salt has been drained out from the field. Then 11. Grow cover crop in rainy season to reduce water erosion. You know that the intensity of the rain is greater in monsoon season. But suppose you cover 15 to 20% area by growing the cover crop, then the reduction of the velocity and there will be less erosion of the water. Lastly and not least, apply plant nutrient in a field on soil test basis and not as per farmer wish or advice of the merchant of the selling of the fertilizers. Please contact our Sevam Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India for soil, water and plant analysis. We have also started disease diagnosis from soil as well as plant like bacteria, fungi and nematodes. The farmer are requested to contact to Sevama lab for identify timely disease and pest in soil and take plant protection measures. Our helpline number +916359595959. Our Sevama website https www.sevama.in. The other form of is Mati Mate Agromart Private Limited, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Our website is at https www.matimateagromart.com. So if you have liked my video, then please subscribe and thank you very much.